So you've got some spring fever, huh? Well, I've got some great DIY inspiration for you to go along with it. Just grab the paintbrushes, scissors, and glue, and for peeps' sake, let's make something. You'll need a white canvas board, paint and a paintbrush, fabric scraps, paper or fun felt, pom-poms, burlap ribbon, spray starch, and hot glue. First, paint the canvas any color you want. I'm going with yellow. And while the canvas is drying, cut out your burlap ribbon so the raw edges are exposed. And pull out some fibers to make the edges fray. Now, spray the burlap with spray starch and let it dry until it's hard. Iron flat if you need to smooth it out. You can also paint the dried burlap ribbon now if you want it different than its natural color. Next, cut out the fun felt or paper in the shape of a bunny. Using the fabric scraps, cut out small pieces for the ears and glue them on the bunny cutout. Now glue on a bunny pom-pom tail. When the canvas and burlap are both dry, glue the burlap on the canvas and then glue the bunny on the burlap. You can add a custom greeting using Scrabble letters or any letter cutouts that you have. And there you have it, a happy ending to this spring-themed canvas art. It also makes a great gift to let some bunny know you're thinking of them.